At Caldwell, we make components that go into windows and doors that are sold around the world. We've used the Markforged printers to make everything from prototype all the way through low volume production pieces, tools, and fixtures to aid in manufacturing for assembly and/or test and measurement.
In the past, an engineer would need a part made and I'd have to estimate how long it would take to machine that part. Some of those parts could have 40 hours of machining in them. Today, with the Markforged printers, an engineer will give me a drawing and the first thing that comes to my mind is I want to use the printers.
This fixture to machine traditionally would probably cost 5 times as much and take 2 weeks to manufacture. I printed it in a day and they were able to use it that same day.
This is a production assembly. This is a prototype assembly using both composite and Metal 3 printers. This assembly allows you to tilt your windows in for cleaning. Having the ability to 3D print our own metal components has really improved our development process.
The similarities between what we'll print in stainless steel and what we would cast in stainless steel is just incredible. That's something we can get in 2 days in our own lab. The hardware we manufacture is what holds the window together structurally, and if that were to fail, it can mean severe damage to a building and major disruption for someone's life. The strength of the 3D printed parts that we get off the Markforged machines allow us to put those parts through the same set of conditions that we would test a production piece. They're real parts that have actual strength.
In this highly competitive world, you need every advantage you can get to produce the parts, do your job, have a leg up on your competition in every single part of the business possible. And 3D printing is huge to help us do that.